Hello stalkers, welcome back. Another good day in the markets. Let's start with DFM market index. I am on the daily chart. Market has broken resistance of 5896. I have been mentioning market is bullish. Right here, this was our previous resistance zone. Market took a pause here, and from here we are seeing a nice move to the upside. Yes, yesterday's candle was indecisive, it was dodgy, but I was quite confident that support is still holding up, that is 5822 points. This has become a nice support for DFM market index. With today's solid green candle, next area of resistance that I have identified is at 5958 points. Hopefully market will continue going up from here. In case if at all market dips down, nothing to worry, it will be considered as buying the dips, so it will not be considered as bearish. Support area, as I mentioned, this is our first support. Minor support area at 5770 points, and then we are looking at 5680, that is strong support. Strong rally is seen right from this zone, that is around 5226. We are seeing nice upside momentum, a small pause, a move to the upside, and now again market is gearing up for the move. Unless and until there is any negative news that can impact the economies, DFM market index is looking good for a continuation from here. This is the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Very nice price action, very happy with the closing. This is immediate support area that was previously resistance. In fact, if you remember, I had mentioned 10,000 is psychological and a technical resistance. Market took pause right here at around 10,000 points. This is the 2-day candle that it showed us that market is taking a breather, and then from here again next immediate resistance was at 10,051 points. See how beautifully market is reacting into the resistance zone. It is taking a pause, taking a breather, and then we can see a nice thrust to the upside. Today it broke resistance of 10,102 that I had mentioned in my previous video. We can see today closing is above this resistance. Next zone where market can head to is 10,246 points, that is identified as resistance. Today's closing is very powerful, very promising. Many stocks are performing. I hope you are picking up the right stocks and making money in this bull market. ADX market index has been rallying from this area, that is 9,004 points. Solid recovery to the upside, a small pause around 9,929 points, and then slowly and steadily it's been continuing upside. Something important to notice here is during this phase right here, that is congestion. As we know, 10,000 was resistance. We can see small indecisive candle. After about a week or more than a week, we are seeing a solid green candle, giving us a good confirmation that market is heading up. There are still chances market would like to continue going up. In case if at all there is any correction or profit booking, then we don't need to worry because market has established good support areas. Strong support as of now stands at 10,000 points. Obviously that is psychological support. Previously this was resistance. And then we obviously have 9,929. Very strong support is between 9,815 to 9,858 points. This is a very good demand zone. Hopefully market will not come this low. I'm expecting if at all there is any profit booking, maybe a sideways momentum. Otherwise market is gearing up for more upside momentum. Overall, ADX market index is very bullish. This is the daily chart of UPP, that is Union Properties. We are seeing a very nice rally. A recent rally started from 0.474 and it has traveled up till about 0.930. We are seeing very nice momentum. Hopefully you have picked up at nice support zone, and if at all you did, then definitely you made good money. This is an important zone for Union Properties, that is 0.740 area. Market has taken a pause. I can say it was consolidating into this zone. We saw contraction of volatility and finally a breakout was witnessed. It broke 0.805, that was resistance. 0.851, that was also broken, it was resistance. Then there was a resistance around 0.882. Market tried to break out in first attempt. We can see rejection, but then very next day onwards we saw a nice thrust to the upside. There was a gap up opening as well. Today market has filled up the gap. This means exhaustion. There are chances of a correction. Will this make UPP bearish or it will turn into a downtrend? No. We have many support areas. I think Union Properties will continue more upside momentum. My target for Union Property is 1.00. I have been recommending my members as well. By the way, if at all you are interested to join my YouTube membership, scan the QR code. Link is also provided in description box. You will get daily updates with entries and exit with my analysis. So Union Properties, if at all it comes down, then we have 0.851 that should act as a support. Then we have 0.805. This is also strong support area. If at all both of these zones fails to hold, then we have this congestion zone right here at 0.750. This should hold up. In any ways, if at all it is coming down, it will be like buying the dips. This will be a buying opportunity. We can expect more upside momentum in Union Properties. If I go down to lower time frame to show you the price action that happened during the day, today it opened flat at yesterday's closing price, and from here we are continuously seeing selling pressure to the downside. A small bounce, or I must say a green candle, is seen at the first support area, that is 0.882. This green candle is still not a confirmation. From here also there are chances we may see some selling pressure till about 0.851. If this fails to hold up, then as I mentioned, there are chances we may see lower support areas, but it should be considered as buying opportunity. We can take fresh positions, or if you want to average it out, this is also good zone for buying more quantities. So plan of action is very simple. I'm up to the daily chart again. In case if you are holding, it's fine. In case if you are planning for fresh entries, then wait for a bounce from support areas so that you can take your position. However, from here I'm looking at 1.00 as my target, so still there is good space remaining. If I have to measure from current zone, that is at around 0.880, we still have approximately 14% remaining to the upside for our target. If at all market dips down further, that is 0.850 zone, then we have a very good area till about 18.36%. This is also a good profit. If we take entries anyway into this zone, this whole move can be captured. This is our profit area. So overall, Union Properties is looking very positive. A small retracement or correction is expected, and from here more upside momentum is expected. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Subscribe for more updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.